Hi everyone. Today I'm going to make some green and gold colored earrings. Since May's birthstone is green, it's an emerald. So let's get started. I'm going to use 20 gauge head pins, so I don't think they're too flimsy, so we might just do a simple loop at the top. And hope y'all are doing alright today. Getting to mowing season now. My son's out there mowing the grass. So, won't be long till summer's here. Everybody got their garden planted? I don't know if I'm going to do one this year because my knee is messed up. Basically just falling apart, I think. That's what we're going to do right there. I had to get us some ear wires. I didn't lay any out. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to test this to see how tough this metal is. Yeah, we're going to just do a wrap. I mean, not a wrap, but a loop where you just bring it across. Yeah, I should have just cut it, but I got some new cutters finally. I happened to be on Amazon the other day, and I saw some, and I said, well, they might not be good, but I'll try. Alright, I should have cut that beforehand, but since I've already done it, so here, we'll open that up a little bit. So I can get that in there. Oh, they work good. I don't know how long they'll hold up, but at least they'll hold up for a little while. So there's one. See how much I cut off of that one. We'll see if we can do it this way, because I should have cut them to begin with, but I didn't know how. If you don't have a real strong wire, the first time you catch it in your hair, it's going to go and pull the earring apart. So that's why I wasn't sure about these. So I paired them up a while ago. I just hadn't had time. It's been so busy here lately. We put a new French door in because our sliding glass door would not even close. I guess the wheels have went out in it or something. And then you couldn't lock it, so it's pretty much wide open. So now we've got a good door with a good lock. So, we've been working on getting everybody's junk out of our basement. Oh. You just bend it out, and then you bend it back in. Just make sure it won't slide off, and see if there's a gap there. So what you'll do is wiggle and push. until you get it there where this won't come out. I ordered another pair of pliers, and Amazon says that they got lost. So they asked me if I wanted a refund or if I wanted to reorder, and I said, yeah, reorder it. So they did. Just make sure it's together. And there's our emerald colored earrings for May. Yeah, thanks for watching. That's just little simple earrings that anybody can do. You just need a head pin and different kinds of beads and ear wires. And round nose pliers. These are needle nose pliers with no teeth in them. And flush cutters. Alright, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.